Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Ford Fusion SE, stock number E1704P. Only 30,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, shadow black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Fusion is in the mid-size car class, seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen My Ford Touch infotainment system. For navigation. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Radio. It's also satellite radio capable.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB connectivity. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead. Moonroof control. And home link transmitter for under the hood. This Fusion has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 181 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 36 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Fusion, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.